Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering both the earbuds and their case. Make sure battery level is above 50% so pairing won't drop. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer and close other Bluetooth apps that might interfere. Next, place the earbuds into the case, open the lid, and wake the earbuds so they enter pairing mode. This is the first actionable step because pairing only begins when the earbuds are actively discoverable. You now focus on the device's Bluetooth list. Find the entry labeled JLab or the specific model name. Tap that name to initiate pairing and accept any confirmation prompts. This binds the earbuds to your device. Make sure you listen for an audio prompt or check the LED indicators on the earbuds or case. These visual or auditory cues confirm a successful handshake. If the device asks for a PIN, use 0000 or follow. You finish by testing audio and microphone in a call or music app to ensure both channels work. If audio is absent or one bud is silent, make sure the earbuds are fully seated and firmware is current. Then reset them by holding the power or pairing button for 10 seconds to force a fresh startup. If problems persist, remove the device from your Bluetooth list, clear the Bluetooth cache on your phone, and then repair. This often resolves lingering connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.